Hello people of the internet and welcome to the Grease Monkey Society. Today we're going to be doing a quick and dirty rundown of how to take a radiator out of a 2002 Chevy Tahoe. Let's get started. What that enthusiastic gentleman doesn't realize yet is he's not replacing a radiator, he's actually replacing a water pump. But he doesn't know that yet. Carry on. What we're going to do first is we're going to remove this cover and the top cover, and we have to measure radiator core so we can order the right one because this truck came with several different radiators. And I don't have the correct tool on me today, so we're using a flathead screwdriver to pop all these things off. Alright, next step after you get your cover off, you want to sit here and you want to take your intake pipe off. Simple flathead screwdriver right here, and do both of your clamps. Up there. And you want to slip it off. That's right there. I'm about one char. You got your upper radiator hose right here. One more band clamp. Can you see that, Michael? This one's a little harder. Take it off, set it there, adjust for the size of the hose. Wiggle to break the seal. Pull that up off your shroud. I bend them back here. Keep them from leaking, losing any more coolant than you want. Hose is off. You get them put back out of your way so they're not pouring coolant on your floor. You take your 10 mil ratchet or ratcheting wrench or whatever you prefer. Alright, you want to take a flathead, or if you have the special tool, you can pop the rivets with it. Come in here, take your flathead. Pop all your rivets out. You got 4 of them. Alright, now that you got your shroud out, after you pulled your 4 little pins. Okay. Revisions and spoiler alert. We're not replacing the radiator. If you're wearing earphones, you might want to take them off. The fan clutch is off, and I'm going to show you how to pull the belt off and pull the water pump off. Our 16 millimeter. Take your belt off. I'm taking this one all the way off because, well, she's a bit old and worn out. 15 millimeter. Now that's off. Start getting all the hoses off. What I'm neglecting to show you in the video is that the water pump has 6 10 millimeter bolts positioned in these three positions with 2 mounting bolts. When you take all your bolts out, make sure you leave them in order so you know which order they go back into, and you know how to clean them up and you know where they go. Thermostat housing, water pump, all 10 mil. All come out of this gigantic hulking thing, and we're off to the parts store.
Many hours later.
Alright, peoples of the internet, after a long night and having to do other adulting stuff, I still have to put this thing back together before my wife goes to work tomorrow and needs it. So I'm going to sit you over here on an air box and hopefully you can see me slap this thing back together. If not, I'm going to be making a video about how the first video I ever made was a fail. And when I replaced this back on the truck, what I did was I put the 3 bolts back in the holes and placed the gaskets on the back side so they would stay in place when I placed it on the truck. But I don't know where the footage for that went.
Days later.
Yep, and the video died. I don't know how long I talked to that camera, but it wasn't on. So I didn't have any footage of me finishing this thing up. So here we go. All put back together. It's been running 2 days now. No coolant loss, no more leaking, no more overheating. Has heat. It's good to go. All put back together, all fasteners back in. No issues, no leaks, nothing. She's quite happy with it. Something we need to go over is I didn't get where I explained the torque pattern is here, 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 and it's 11 foot-pounds, and then you do it again at 22 foot-pounds. And that concludes my water pump replacement video. If you like what you've seen, you were entertained or was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.